Well, what's up you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be installing the Yonaka coilovers we received in the last video if you watched. If not, I'll leave a link to the unboxing video right here. So let's get straight into it, get this car jacked up, and get some coilovers installed. Alright, so as you can see, we got the car jacked up, tires are taken off, and we are going to be getting ready to take these old strut assemblies out.
One eternity later.
Alright, so we're going to unbox the Yonaka coilovers, take them fully out of the box. Typical Honda fashion, of course. It wouldn't be right if there wasn't something that we didn't have to cut off this car. So we're gonna cut the sway bar link off of this side. I already went to O'Reilly's and got some new sway bar end links. So yeah, let's get to cutting. Oh, look who showed up.
What's up, guys?
What's up, KJ? You ready for this?
Yeah, let's
What are we doing today?
Coilovers.
This car hates me. Well, it really doesn't. Minnesota Salt and Rust hates me. So I have come to the conclusion I'm not putting the coils on this car because we sheared off a mounting bolt. And honestly, I'm just going to go 5-lug swap, so we're actually going to go to the junkyard. So yeah. I guess you could say this is the end of the video if you wanted to, right? For this video?
Sure.
Alright, well, you know the drill. Follow me on Instagram at boosted_dilly. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.